In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix WebGL is not supported on Chrome or Firefox, so enable it. Let's get started. So let me show it to you in Google Chrome browser. So just simply go to this Chrome colon // GPU. If it is on Edge, just replace Chrome with Edge. If it is on Firefox, just replace Chrome with Firefox. And here you'll find the WebGL software only hardware acceleration unavailable. So for this, we need to enable the hardware acceleration. So click on the three dots on the top right corner and then click on settings. Then you have to click on the option which is system on the left pane, and you will find use graphics acceleration when available or hardware acceleration, enable that. Click on relaunch, and now let's refresh the page. And here it is, WebGL hardware accelerated. So if this fixed your issue, then good. For the second method, right click at the start button and select device manager. And then you have to locate the display adapters and then right click on your graphics card, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and just simply close this and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.